Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of US dollar, Japanese yen. I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. And if you have watched my previous video on USDjpy that I published on Saturday, then hopefully you have taken a long position here when market came down to this trend line. Because when market came down to this trend line and market formed a green candle, okay, as expected, market got the required support and market bounced. I took a long position and I have already exited, but still I got my own share of profit. And if you are in profit right now, then enjoy the profit, be on the trade. Okay. And if you are looking for fresh position, then my dear friend, you can initiate a fresh position right now, but the risk to reward ratio is not that good as it was when market was near the trend line, because see, the if you want to place the buy order here, okay, at 110.11, then your stop loss will be somewhere around here, and you can see that right now market has almost reached this particular level, and there is a possibility that market may fail to cross this particular level. Considering the overall uptrend of the market should easily cross, is not it? Yes, but there is a thing that I would like to show you later. So if you want to place the buy order here, then you can place the buy order here, but keep in mind that you must follow risk management properly and just reduce your position size. If you are planning to take one standard lot, then just reduce it by half. Do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital, because market has already moved quite a lot. Market has moved quite a lot, almost around 20-25 pips from the support level. Therefore, if you are late to the party, then you must compensate, and the compensation is you must reduce the position size. If you ask me, Avilash, should I take a position, or if you ask me, Avilash, will you take a position right now, then I'll say that I'll not take a position. Always take a position at this all, or at the support level, or at the resistance to short the market. In case I miss the particular level, then I just pass it. I do not trade in the middle. Therefore, you can wait for the market to come down to the support level. Okay, when market will be in the support level, then you can go for it. And if you want to take a position or a risk right now, keeping your stop loss below this trend line, then reduce your position size. Do not take the position size that you would have taken when market was in a trend line. Okay. And overall, if we look at the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, then you can see that the chart looks good, the chart looks bullish, because, and most importantly, market is following a trend line in the form of a support, whereas almost all the currency pairs, um, there is no proper support right now. Either the supports are gone or the resistances are gone, and right now market is trying to build new support levels and new resistance levels, so be very careful. And this chart looks good, so be very careful and take your decision wisely. If you want to go for an order here, I have already mentioned, you need to reduce your position size. On the other hand, yeah, I just mentioned that there is a possibility that market may struggle at this particular price level, because you can see that US dollar is standing tall, US dollar is strongest among all the other currencies. But just look at the position of Japanese yen. Japanese yen is also not that weak. In fact, after the US dollar, Japanese yen is the second strongest currency today. And as we all know, whenever we get a situation like this, we get a sideways market. For a trending market, one currency needs to be very strong and one currency needs to be very weak. Just like previous week, US dollar became very strong and other currencies became very weak. And whenever both the currencies are equally strong enough, then we get a sideways market, and market remains sideways. And we can see that, okay, right, we can see that market is going up. Bulls are taking the charge, they are trying to take the price upward, but there is a possibility that market may stumble here. But if we look at the overall trend of the market, overall chart, then things look very positive, things are quite good enough. Okay. You just need to initiate your order here, and if you are in a profit right now, if you have initiated the long position seeing my previous video on USDjpy, then enjoy the profit, be on the trade. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood what you need to do and what you need not to do. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.